What up? Welcome. I'm Zero Drop Shoe Guy. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first pair of boots by Xero Shoes. Anytime you buy a Xero Shoes product, you'll get this little thank you note. You can pause and read that if you want. These boots are called the Xcursion. I think they're going to stop making them soon. I bought these for $69.99. They were half off, normally $159. Now these are waterproof. I bought these for the winter here in Utah. I really like these lugs. They're really big and spaced apart. I think it'll do really well in snow. Now they're not that tall, so you can't go into super deep snow. These boots are zero drop. For boots, they're pretty minimalist. Oh, they're a little bit stiffer. But still flexible. Now with other boots I've bought in the past, that were meant for toe striking, the design made it really hard to use them in that way, because the back here is always like really stiff. So if this is really stiff, you can't really toe strike because it forces you to kind of heel strike. I have a pair of Lem's Boulder boots, very popular. They're comfortable, but that's a big problem, and that's why I don't wear them that often. These seem to be a little bit shorter. Hopefully I won't have that problem. You can see they have these laces inspired by the Huarache running sandals. That's what this company's known for. Let you guys take a look at that toe. So all of this is waterproof. It's really light for a boot. So I guess it's only waterproof up to this point. All of this can't get submerged. The heel might be nice for striking. If you're striking like a shovel, like a snow shovel, not for walking. A little loop here to help you put that on. And this material here think will flex, so that's when you're toe striking. Your leg isn't forced to go into this L shape. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Test these out, and in a month I'll let you guys know what I think. If you find these videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Create a wonderful day.